AMC on the move. AMC on the move, y'all. AMC on the move. Guys, AMC up, baby, after hitting a low. I talked about this in yesterday's video. We could actually see a little something when we get this low. AMC likes to move when we get past 250. When we get down to 250, she like to do a little something. Jacko Dater. AMC new intraday high, 259. AMC new intraday high. Thank you, Ruben, for the super chat. Thank you, Ruben, for the super chat. SPY RSI oversold. You want to take profits, brother. You don't get greedy kills. Remember, greed kills. Always take profits in and out. Do not wait around. Take profits. Do not wait around. Thank you for this first super chat of the day, Ruben. Always take profits. SPY setting up for macro downside as predicted, guys. SPY setting up for macro downside. Blow off top, NASDAQ. Yesterday, Amazon earnings. Amazon's the only thing keeping the market up. Apple is down. I told you guys they're going to pump Apple, but Apple got dumped. I told you guys Apple was not legit. It was a fake pump. They pumped it because they needed to recover SPY. Amazon was a real pump, but this thing's not going to be able to sustain these levels. Too much money, not enough time. Large cap stocks like this take a lot of money to move. So this is not going to be able to sustain this price and this valuation. And Apple is down after getting a fake pump to try to save the market. I heard Netflix is doing like a 10-to-1 stock split. Nobody can buy a share for $1,100, so nobody's buying one fucking share for that. Guy Supreme! We just got a legendary super chat from Kai Supreme. We just got a legendary super chat from Kai Supreme right now. Fire, 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 fire. Okay, it's a festive kind of day. Halloween, baby. We got multiple super chats coming in. Halloween stream right now, man. Halloween stream, check out. Okay, let's go! We just got a rare yellow $10 super chat. Yeah, boy! We just got a rare. We just got a rare $10 super chat. The chats are coming in. I just turned the PC on. It's the Halloween stream. The chats are coming in. Danny Lamb with a 2-piece. This thing's about to break out. It's tracking. ASST tracking.
Assistant to hold then pump to $2. Ghost, 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 volcano, 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 volcano.
AMC up 1 1/4. We take those. Bitcoin 109. It's a festive. Thank you, Sports Faith in Life. Danny Lamb. It's a festive kind of day today. Yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting downside for SPY, guys. I'm expecting downside SPY, macro downside in play. RSI is getting pretty low, though, so we should get a bounce soon. But I'm telling you guys, SPY is bearish. I've been saying this for quite a while now. I told you heading into Thursday, Friday, the later half of the week, we would see bearishness. I told you guys this on the weekly outlook and prediction. I said later half of the week, we'll see bearishness. I told you guys that most likely rate cuts will be priced in. This is what we are seeing now, and tech earnings was not as good as we hoped. I think SPY is going to go down a little bit further, possibly get a small bounce, but macro downside, this thing will keep continuing down into next week, not financial advice. Thank you guys for 2,214 X followers. 2,214 X followers, thank you. Ten likes, let's go. Run these likes up. Let's make our voices heard. Let Adam Aaron know. Let everyone know. Adam Aaron is a swindler. Adam Aaron is a bad person. And it's time for the truth to be known. Adam Aaron the swindler. ASST about to blast off next week, not financial advice. He's fraud and Woody Wood in the building. Bro, they better hope they get their food stamps before Thanksgiving or they ain't gonna have no turkey. I couldn't depend on the government for my food, bro. I can't do it. I couldn't do it, bruh. Okay, SPY coming down, filling the gap. SPY starting to fill this gap. Massive gap fill to the downside. Markets are looking shady, ladies and gentlemen. Markets are looking shady. We are about to see downside. Massive corrections incoming. SPY, massive corrections incoming. Macro, bear flag in play. We talked about this bear flag for quite some time. Only DC fam knew about this bear flag. Everyone else thought we were going to the moon. Free turkeys, that is very generous. Very generous. We got the free turkeys. The free Turks, the young Turks. Free the young Turks. Bro, ASST is about to blast off next week. Not financial advice, falling wedge in play, y'all. Bitcoin at 108.7. Guys, if you bought your Bitcoin at 15K like me, you're up, baby. If you bought your XRP at 50 cents like me, you're up, baby. XRP, want to see XRP back above 250, but this actually doesn't look too bad. We need spooky type beats. I need spooky type beats. Spooky type beats for this live stream. It's a rare Halloween edition, baby. PlayStation has won the console wars, y'all. PlayStation has won the console wars. Trump is a culture vulture. Welcome to the rare Halloween edition. Thank you guys for the super chats, man. We got multiple super chats off rip. Danny Lamb, Sports, Faith and Life, Kai Supreme, and Ruben off the rip. Right away with the supers.
A few moments later.
Michael Burry tweeted about this meme bubble. The whole stock market's in a bubble right now. Yo, SPY eating into the gap, guys. SPY eating into the gap. I'm telling you, man, this thing's looking bearish. Hey. SPY looking bearish. We got spooky type beats, baby. Hey. Let me like my own stream. We got 31 likes. Run these numbers up. Have you pressed the like button today? Hey, Woody in the building. I thought Trump can't run again. That would be his third term. That would be his third term. We got 52 people in the building already. 52 people in the building. We only started streaming 27 minutes ago. Rolling it up, baby. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button. Yeah, see, A Woody a real one, bro. A Woody a real one, bro. Only the people that come support, bro, that's the only people I fuck with, man. If you can't press like, if you can't come to my stream and press like, fuck you, man. All these live streams I done did, people want to ask me for bread. You can't even press like on my shit? F you. Michael Burry ain't buried yet. Michael Burry ain't buried yet. Guys, if you missed yesterday's video, make sure you check it out. If you missed yesterday's video, check it out. Absolute banger, banger. Showed you guys about Amazon. We talked about the possible downside that we're about to be seeing, man. This shit getting crazy, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe. You already know the deal. All right, guys. So SPY starting to get a little bit of a bounce. RSI very oversold. Trump found a loophole. Trump found a loophole. He ain't running no third. There's no way he's gonna be the first president to get a third term. And if he does, then he's gonna prove everyone wrong about how they said, or he's gonna prove everyone right, because literally everyone was saying, oh, Trump's gonna get in and never leave. And if he proves all those people right, that just makes me believe more that I can't trust anyone in the government and I can't trust any politician. If he goes and proves all of the people right that said Trump's gonna get in the office and never leave, and all those people that I said were fucking crazy actually were right, that is gonna prove to me once again that you cannot trust the government. We got the spooky tunes on. I believe in small, limited government. I don't trust none of these dudes. Oh, what happened to spooky tunes? What the fuck? I can't, I'll get copywritten. I would, bro. I would love to listen to some like rap songs and stuff like that. I always wanted to, but I'll get copyright and then the stream will get taken down. It would be just like the old days in the Honda Accord. Damn, remember that shit, bro? Remember the Honda Accord? Bro, no one will know about the Honda Accord on the back roads, bro. Damn. Nobody will know. Or the summers of when trap and kill out of the backpack. Or P. Remember P? The two for 25 quarters. 2 quarters for $25. You could smoke. You could smoke as much as you want. Yeah, R.I.P. Sleep, bro. What the fuck? Damn. He had those sleepy ass eyes. What happened to our boy, yo? What happened to that boy? Remember that song? Millennials had it best. 90s and 2000s, all the best. Yes. Millennials had it best. We got to grow up with the computers, but we had enough we had enough technology, but we had not too much technology. Okay, GME Warren's going green on the day. GME Warren's going green on the day, and GME trying to go green on the day. I just got logged out of Weeble. What the fuck is happening? I need spooky beats. Tiffany, welcome to the Discord. Make sure you check it out. Put the notifications on for the signals room. We just got the exclusive link. I need more spooky beats. Kanye West type beat right here. Hold on. October is up over. Now we're going to No Nut November. No Nut November now. Let's pop this on the screen. Danny Lamb, what up? Destroy Nut December. Assist to pump even if SPY dumps. It kind of looks like it has negative beta right now. If SPY crashes, nothing's gonna pump. But assist looks good to me. I think it's gonna be coming back up. I made a quick 200 off of this bad boy. That was here on this day. That was 10/27. I made 200 bucks on ASST. I risked 1,000. Just use AI to make fake rap songs. Oh shit, yeah, let me approve you, my bad. Okay, and you did everything correctly. Thank you for fucking following directions, Tiffany. I don't know why it's so hard for people to follow directions. You are now approved. Tiffany followed directions perfectly, bro. I don't know why it's so hard. I literally sent a video explaining everything, and people still can't figure it out. Thank you for making my life easier, for following directions. Real trapaholics. Real trap shit. Real trap shit. I need to go back to the back roads. Bro, for some reason, people cannot figure out the directions. I don't know if I can't explain things properly or I don't know what's going on, but some people, a lot of people have trouble following directions with that, with the Discord. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm confusing. I don't know if it's something I did. I don't know. I'll take the blame for it, though. Finger LPSN and CURX. The small cappers had the Peachtree Street looking like 24-hour Walmart. Facts. Peachtree Street, bro. I drove by there when I went to PA. Actually, when I was on the way to your crib, bro. What temperature is it? It's 68 degrees? Holy shit. No wonder I'm freezing. No wonder. No wonder it's so cold. We need one more subscriber to get to 16,510. Sometimes you lose some. We peaked at 16,512. We'll be back. GameStop at 22.55 right now. GameStop looks like it could push up in the close. GME warrants sitting at $3 a popper. AMC at 258. AMC at 258. SPY at 680, getting a slight bounce after RSI oversold. SPY set the bounce. SPY set the bounce a little. Voting ends for AMC December 9th. Yo, SPY is definitely setting up for macro downside, guys. We are retesting the bear flag as we speak. Fancy J Beats. It's a rare spooky version of the stream. Andrew, what up? This beat is sick. Yeah, I said about the Netflix split. Nobody can buy a share for $1,200, especially in this world. Nobody's trying to buy one fucking share for $1,100. It's ridiculous. And they have 427 million shares. Yo, that's crazy. That means you take 427 million times 1,100 and you get Netflix's market cap. $1,122 per share times 423 million. That can't be the market cap, bro. These companies cannot be worth these valuations, dude. The market's fucking broken. That can't be right, bro. Oh my God, it is right. 475 billion. That's the number I got. 470. Well, I got 474 billion. I got 474 billion when I did the math. Wow. Insanity, dude. Is Netflix even worth $1,000 a share? I don't think so. I don't fucking think so. Nothing's worth $1,000 a share. Especially with 420 million shares in the float. You can't convince me a stock is worth $1,000 a share. You just can't. Unless it has a very, very small float. You can't convince me that these valuations are realistic. Everybody's mind is just fucking fried, dude. This market is so degenerate. It's just everything to the moon. YouTube does that on purpose. I had a number of people I had to refollow a few things. Yeah, it happens. And sometimes people get mad when I tell the truth. We almost got 50 likes already. I only been live for 50 minutes and we almost got 50 likes. That's a like a minute. Holy shit. One like per minute. Yeah, I know that's how they sell to retail, using the split. Retail can't buy no share for $1,100. Tell me one person who's gonna spend $1,100 on a share just to make $10. Because you're only gonna make like $10 because you can only buy one share. I'm not spending $1,000 on a share. That's ridiculous. You'll make no money. You'll make like $10 risking $1,000. It's not worth it. Okay, Bano was in the building this morning. Ice cream paint job. Lots of sheep, dude. AMC just hit 260. AMC just hit 260, guys. New intraday high. Amy up 2%. Sheep, they follow the herd. Sheep, they follow the herd. Sheep, they follow the herd. Fuck what you heard. I'm straight from the bird. Cold like icebergs. Sweat and I swerve. I'm in the whip. I whip and I swerve. I'm just dipping and dodging. I just be surviving. Come to my stream, I'm vibing. Gotta keep it popping like vibins. What? Spy getting a bounce, Spy getting a bounce, Spy getting a bounce. As expected, guys, small bounce. SPY, Spy about to get a small bounce. Spy about to get a small bounce. Spy about to get a small bone. Discord going crazy. Bitcoin going green on the day. Bitcoin going green on the day. Love to see it. Crypto is the way, bro. Spy bouncing as expected, y'all. Scary roller coaster. I never really liked roller coasters. Well, if Spy bounces, it might help get AMC go a little bit higher. AMC up 2.36%. I mean, I'll take that. SST up 1.25. Hey, SST. Bitcoin back at 109 now. Bitcoin trying to use 109.5 as support. This could be bullish. Let's see what the morons on X are saying. Bro bought all this shit from AMC. Bro bought all this shit from AMC. But first of all, dude, what type of house do you have? Because, brother, your house looks like it's from the fucking 1980s. Dude, are you fucking 50? Bro made his house look like he's fucking 95 years old. This is the shit I expect to see when I go to my grandma's house. Look at this table and this fucking rug. Bought my first AMC at 52 a share. $52 a share? I'm not gonna even do it to him, bro. But we gotta stop giving hedge funds liquidity. I'm not even gonna do it to him. I should just put the Michael Jordan. I was gonna say stop being exit liquidity or hedgy liquidity, but this is all on my X. I'm scared to scroll down though, because I might see something inappropriate. I have to scroll down slow. Yeah, you can't just keep buying, bro. You're gonna be exit liquidity. Or liquidity for hedge funds. This thing is kind of cool looking. I can't lie. What is this? I've noticed a thing in your battle royale map. Yeah, this is crazy. This guy looks like a freaking Somali pirate, bro. Yeah, this was crazy. Seeing this guy waving a Somali flag. And this guy literally looks like a fucking Somali pirate. He literally looks like he came straight out of Somalia. And he literally was just a pirate a week ago. Yo, the USA is broken, bro. The USA is done, bro. Minneapolis. What's this guy's name? USA is broken, dude. Why? I'm brown and I don't like him. That's what I'm going to say. I'm brown and I don't like him. Now what? You going to play that racist shit on me? Stupid bitch. I hate as soon as they see someone's color, they call them racist, bro. That's the stupidest shit, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about that. It's about national security, bro. Look at me. I'm the mayor now. Alright, we're gonna check if that's his name. Lord knows I can't type. That is his name. Thank you, sir. He was waving a flag yesterday, bro. Waving the Somalia flag in the Senate, bro. How can you do this? This should be illegal. Bro, this is the USA. This is the USA. Bro is waving a Somalian flag. Yeah, exactly what I said. And speaking a foreign language at the US. Bro, it's not even racism. This is the USA, okay? It's not even racism. This is the USA. What the fuck, man? We're done. We're cooked, y'all. We're cooked. I'm telling you, bro, we're all cooked. We're cooked, bro. At least I go down with the DZ family. That's all. You know what? At least if I'm going down with the DZ family, man. I have some great people, some great company surrounding me as we all sit in this sinking ship. I don't know if you guys feel it, but I feel it, guys. The USA is losing its mind. We're in a sinking ship, guys, and it's called the USA. Incoming gifted for my friend. Enjoy the weekend. For all you do. Thank you. Try that shit in Somalia. Yeah, I know. Try waving an American flag in the Somalian Senate. Let's go! Today is a wonderful day. Wow. Guys, thank you for the support, dude. We just had the homie Jackson 610 drop a 10 gifted on this rare Halloween version of the DataZero stream. No, I'm not celebrating Halloween. We're just being festive, all right? Thank you, bro. That's gonna add to some of the super chats we already got today. Today's been pretty wild. We're kind of on a hype train right now, starting with Ruben, Kai Supreme, Sports Faith and Life, Danny Lamb, and now Jackson 10. Thank you, guys. I hope I deserve this. I really hope I deserve all the love that I get. Man catches GF staring at another man at dinner. It's time to leave that chick, bro. She got them reckless eyes. You already know what that means. Wow. What is happening today? Is that a DZ fam shirt? It almost looks like a DataZero shirt you got on in your profile pic. Yeah, boy! Yippee! Yo, thank you, dude. The summer! With the 5-piece.
A treat for your charting trickery.
Guys, we have a hype train going. And AMC's green on the day. What the heck is happening? AMC up 2%, and we got a hype train. Wait, your woman looks like a chick, though. Your woman looks like a dude, brother. Why your chick look like a man, though? All right, SPY is tracking right now. SPY is tracking, but I don't think this thing's gonna rip. Yo, what up, Doc Airline? What's good with you, bro? Hello there. I don't think SPY goes ripping unless it breaks above this red line. It gotta break above this red line, then SPY will rip it. If SPY breaks above the red line, it rips. It pumps. If SPY breaks above the red line. That's the first level we're looking at. Then we're looking at this level next. So this level, then this level. Bitcoin is definitely bouncing back, guys. Bitcoin is definitely bouncing back. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. This is a little bit better. QS has been a banger. Get the bag, bro. There's so many different plays out there. Get the bag. We could not be on one play only. We got to be on multiple plays. We got to be on multiple plays. ASST is about to pump, dude. ASST is about to go, dude. I think SPY gets a small bounce before correcting down. I think SPY's gonna get like... it's gonna keep trending down, but it's gonna get a small bounce. Up to like... It could go as high as 683.78. This is a double bottom, bro. This is like starting in the form of a double bottom. It's gonna come up and then come back down. So it's gonna come up all the way. It's gonna track with this, like I'm saying, bro. It's gonna slowly grind down over time. But by doing that, it's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, in basically a range, and then break down with an overall downtrend to that pattern. So you have an overall downtrend as you're consolidating. I think that's what SPY is about to do. Trending down overall. but it's consolidating sideways. This bear flag is in play. Double gap fill to the downside. Fuck SPY. Get money. GameStop going green on the day. GameStop going on green on the day. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. GameStop going green on the day. 22.63. It's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to turn up. We got Jackson with the 10 gifted. Bro, Anthony, R. Pippi, William, David, Pedro, Nadia, Jason, Ben, Mike, Inform, all just got gifted by Jackson, 610. Bro, thank you for the 10 gifted. Hype in the chat right now. Hype in the chat right now. We don't have enough hype in this chat. We do not have enough hype in this chat. We got the Stunner dropping. We got the Summer dropping. We got Jackson dropping. Look, we got multiple shit going on right now. Look at this shit. This is big shit popping right now. This is big shit popping. Snap should pay off AMC's debt. SPY creeping up, guys. SPY is creeping up. I'm telling you, SPY's gonna go for like, SPY's coming up for 682.25. SPY's coming up for 682.25, bruh. If AMC breaks 260, then I'll be impressed. Then I know something's going on if AMC breaks like 260. AMC always wants to pump, but the hedgies don't let it. We got 70 people in the building, 70 people in the building. Press that like, run them numbers up, run them numbers up. Let's get 100 people in here. Everybody share the stream right now. Help me out and share the stream right now. Let's get 100 people in the building. We got to get 100 people before power hour. Let's go. Let's get 100 people in here before power hour. Everybody share this stream. If you don't know how to do it, you go to the stream. We have 78 people watching. You go to the stream, you hit share. You copy this link. And you share it on Twitter, you share it on Facebook, you share it on Instagram, you share it on Weeble. Share it everywhere links can be posted. Text it to your mom, text it to your boss, text it to your grandma, text it to every single person in your family right now. Spread the word of DataZero. Show them the light in a world of darkness. All right, AMC resistance at 260. AMC resistance at 260. SPY getting a bounce towards 682 as predicted, guys. 682.25. SPY bounce. GameStop 2264. 2264 GameStop. GameStop coming back. GameStop coming back. Yo, I don't know what you guys did, but it really worked. Whatever you guys did, it really worked because we just got a huge boost in stream numbers. We just got a huge boost in stream numbers. You guys got to do that again. Whatever you did, do it again. Whatever you just did, do it again. Do it every stream. We just got a huge boost. People must have really shared it. AMC's an overall uptrend. We have 80 people in the building now, guys. 80 people in the building. Let's go. We have only been live. We have only been live for an hour and a half. This is a Halloween. This is a fucking celebration. I like it. I like this, guys. Thank you. We have only been live for an hour and a half. Bro, we already have 10 brand new members. 10 brand new members. 64 likes. 80 in the building. This is getting me hyped. That's it. That is fucking it. Turn this fucking stream up. Get you one. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to turn this stream up. Thank you for watching my stream of all streams. You guys are the greatest. I appreciate you for being here. You could have been on any stream, but you chose to be on my stream. There's multiple live streams going on right now, but you choose to be here. For this, I am grateful. We got 80 in the building right now. We're about to turn this stream up, guys. We're about to turn this stream up. We've only been live for less than an hour and a half. We already have 10 brand new members. This is crazy. This is madness. AMC trending up. We're about to turn the day up, man. Today is a celebration type of day. Yo, half the shit that Americans eat, we have to stop eating. Guys, we have 88 in the building. We have 88 in the building. We only been live an hour and a half. This is getting crazy. All right, SPY did hit the 682.25 as predicted, guys. SPY hit 682.25 as predicted. We're probably going to come up here, retest this. If we break above this, we pump. AMC trending up in the close right now. AMC trending up in the close. We got 81 in the building, 81 in the building. Listen, we're popping off. Today's stream is lit. It's lit right now, y'all. We have a Somali pirate in our Senate. He literally looks like he's a freaking Somali pirate. I'm sorry. Our goal is to try to get 100 people before power hour. So I need everybody on this stream right now to do two things. Like and share the stream. I showed you guys how to share the stream. Share the stream and like. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, X, every platform. Weeble. Share it in the Weeble chat. I'm gonna share right now. We need everyone to find this stream. I'm the only one telling the truth about AMC. I'm the realest one out here, y'all. We sharing this joint. We boy acting up. This John don't hit like it used to for me. Bro, SPY makes so much more money than AMC. Yeah, you can easily make more money doing SPY than AMC, unfortunately. All you have to do is pick a direction. And be right more than 50% of the time. If you're right more than 50% of the time, you'll be profitable. Guess what? You can even take losses some days. Don't revenge trade. Losses are part of the fucking game, okay? You have to just understand that. But what you can't do is fucking sit on your losses, right? You can't just accumulate losses and sit on them. As a trader, you have to fucking be in and out. And if it's a lose, you cut that shit, all right? If you start seeing digits go down, you get the fuck out. If it starts going the whole other direction and you're like, whoa, I was wrong, you cut that trade immediately. Do not let your losses balloon. Cut your losses early. You have to be in trader mode if you're gonna trade, bro. Stocks are for trading. This is what 9+ years in the stock market has taught me. And I'm sharing it with all of you. So you guys don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. SPY is definitely trying to gain some bullish momentum here. 10-minute MACD green. SPY is gaining bullish momentum. SPY is gaining bullish momentum right now as we speak. There's a very good chance this thing pops in the close. Very good chance. Friday vibes, all right? Friday vibes right now. There are actually people who would call you a show for saying that. That's funny you say that. They do call me a show, brother. I don't care. I'm the realest one out here and everyone knows it. I really spent my money at AMC and made videos about it. I gave AMC a platform. They called me a shill for voting no, bro. Look. They called me a shill for voting no. Look. They called me a shill for saying I don't want my float to be 1.1 billion shares. This is when I realized there's a part of the AMC community that is delusional and lost. I can't be a part of this anymore. I'm the only one telling the truth out here, bro. Everyone else lying, man. Telling you dilution's gonna make it go up. I'm telling you right now, just like I said about the reverse split, and it's on wax. Just like I said about the reverse split, and we're gonna be able to go back because each one of my streams are dated now, and I'll be able to clip this and be like, look, I told you so. AMC, if it gets this dilution, will go. Let's see. I want to be very careful here. It's at $2 now. It will go below $2. It will go to about $1.50. It will go to about $1.50 if AMC gets this dilution. And if AMC has $1 billion float, you'll need another reverse split to save it because it's going to go underneath $1. Okay? So by the time they dump all of the shares, AMC will go underneath $1. And then they'll have to do a reverse split. I'm not sticking around for that, bruh. You can literally lose 100%. It's unheard of, bro. Listen, if every time you hear the truth, you just scream shill, there's nothing anyone can do to help you. If somebody's out here warning you, saying, like I said, we're all on a bus and we're driving off a cliff. And there's some people in the bus saying, hold on, maybe we should pump the brakes on this. But there's people on the bus saying, no, you're a shill for telling us to slow down. We're just raving a red flag saying, hey, maybe this isn't good. Maybe having a billion float isn't good. That's when I realized, bro, there ain't no saving them. We're out here regardless, though. Hopefully AMC pumps up before December and I can get the fuck out with a little bit of cash left. I'm putting that capital into crypto or something else, bro. If I had to put that money into Bitcoin, I'd be rich right now. A lot of us voted no, man. A lot of us voted no. Somehow that shit went viral though, bro. God bless America. 20,000 views. This beat is sick. Spy building bullish momentum. Spy building bullish momentum. Yo, it's kind of crazy that AMC board is so well paid too. They're literally sitting on a company trying to say, hey, we're going to go bankrupt. And they're literally extracting so much money from the company for doing nothing. Yo, some of the board members are literally just getting paid to sit on the board. They don't even contribute. Like, AMC, I've been in it. I've been dealing with it for 5 years, bro. This company has showed, and I supported it the whole way through. But I kept my eyes open. And the company has shown repeatedly, Adam Aaron, I would say, has shown repeatedly. The people in AMC are amazing. Like the AMC apes and the people I met along the way. That makes everything worth it. But like the company itself, Adam Aaron has shown me repeatedly that he doesn't know how to manage money. He's not cutting no fat. He's spending, in fact. His main thing should be right now is how can I reduce cost? Like, how can you be a business owner and have all of that debt and then be like, oh, yeah, I think renovating and spending money is the right decision. And I'm going to make my salary bigger. Because that's what he did. He did take a cut recently, but he raised his salary throughout the years. This shit is crazy, y'all. And then you have people supporting this. That's how I know two things. One, AMC is cooked. Two, not to be doomer, but America's cooked. Because if the same people that are telling me they want a 1.1 billion vote and they're cheering as we drive towards the edge of the cliff and they're cheering, if those same people can vote, we're cooked. We're fucking cooked, fam. God damn. We're fucking cooked. Oh my God, dude. These same people are allowed to vote. I gotta get off social media. Guys, when this is all done, and the journey is complete, I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna be like, I'm out of here, dude. I am off of social media. I'm gonna go live in my own world, bruh. Where fucking internet and cell phone doesn't exist. It's just me and my family, my community, and the people I care about. And we just worry about each other. We don't worry about anything else. We're self-efficient. We're just doing our own thing. I just gotta find a spot. I gotta find a spot to flee to. America's cooked, bruh. Fucking cooked. Alright, SPY retesting the downtrend right now. This is gonna determine everything. This is gonna tell me if SPY is either going to dump back to the downside or continue pumping. I need to see the price action here. I need to see what SPY does with this line. So let's give it a second. Once I see what SPY does, I'll be able to determine if SPY is going to continue pumping or is it going to dump all the way back down? Because it could dump all the way back down or it could pump all the way back up. But it's about to make a decent move. AMC at 258. Now, I will say this. AMC, when it gets low like this is when things do pop off. Now, the RSI isn't that low, but we've been beaten down for a long time now. When we get low like this, it does tend to... You see this here? And then we have other examples. Weeble acts weird sometimes. I've been telling y'all. I think the memory gets overloaded. And you have to refresh it. Anyways, you see right here, we went to $2.38. And then ran all the way to $11.88. And then recently, we came down to $2.45. Broke out of this falling wedge and ran all the way to $4.09. I mean, I know that's not the best, but I'd rather take $4 per share than $2.58 per share. You know, if I can get some kind of rally before December, before our fate is sealed. I can't wait to see what happens as soon as we get the answer to the vote. If it's yes, I bet we dump. I bet we fucking just start dumping, dude. And yes voters will be like, oh no, this is good. I bet as soon as we get the answer, the vote is yes. I bet AMC dumps, dude. I bet on it. Misty Blue in the chat. Misty Blue in the chat. Oh, now then, what is happening? It just randomly changed. There's like a hair on my screen. Guys, let's go. Back to 16,510 subscribers. Well, it was like some kind of a hair. It was like a piece of fabric. Next time I'll be more specific. And I do have hair other places. Just not on my head. Guys, we're about to make our goal. It is about to be Power Hour. Junior, what up? It's about to be Power Hour. And we're about to reach our goal of 100 people. This is a very hard goal because it's hard to drive traffic. But we are about to reach our goal of getting 100 people before 3 o'clock. It is 2:46 Eastern Standard Time. We're at 98 people. I'm waiting to see it go. Spy potentially rejecting from the trend line here, guys. Be careful. Damn. A 100 is coming. Everyone share the stream, share the stream, share the stream. Bitcoin is coming back. It's a decent day today. AMC's green about 1.5. We'll take that. Wilson, what up? Today was exceptionally good too. We already have 10 brand new members. Multiple super chats. Shout out the Summer, Jackson, Danny, Sports, Faith and Life, Kai Supreme, and Ruben. We got the coveted Kai Supreme super chat today, guys. Today, we're getting a lot of love. Thank you. We also went back to 16,510 subscribers. A lot of love today, guys. I hope I deserve it. And we just hit 100 people in the building. Holiday stream, baby. Even though we don't celebrate pagan holidays. It's like... I be going deep with shit, y'all. We got 106 in the building, guys. We've done it. Now, we have one more goal to achieve before the stream is over, and that is 100 likes, and we will get there, baby. We will get there. HKD. HKD. Wasn't that running last time though, guys? Don't you guys remember that? Wasn't that with AMC last time? Yeah. You guys remember this? 2022. It went to $2,555 per share. All the way from... What? This was life-changing. Instantly. And first of all, this should have been illegal. Because this is clearly crime. This is life-changing. 21,000% gains. That's life-changing, guys. You could have made life-changing money off of this stock. Life-changing. Like win the lottery type money. Like I just hit pay dirt type money. Like I'm about to go buy a new house type money. And you could have made it off of, what is it, 21,000% gains? You could have made it off $1,000. You could have made a decent bag. Bro, you could have made off of $1,000. You could have made $210,000 off of fucking $1,000. You could have put $1,000 in that stock and ran it up to $200,000. Could you imagine putting $1,000 in and watching that balloon into $200,000? Could you imagine that? Putting $1,000 in and then watching it go and go and go and go and go. Crazy. IMRX. What's your boy say? IMRX. Bin tracking. We all need that, bro. We all need to turn 1,000 into 200,000. It's the only way. So only, dude, with the amount of hyperinflation that we're seeing, the only way to truly survive comfortably is like make 1,000 into 200,000. To do what we're doing, bro, we have to turn pennies into thousands. Dude, in America, and this would sound crazy to people in other countries, in America, $1,000 isn't shit. It will go like this. That's not even one bill. No, that's one bill. That would be one bill. One of my bills. Bro, in America, you need like 4 bands a month. Or 4 bands a month minimum, bro. That would, if you told someone that in like a much poorer country, they'll be like, what? You need $4,000 a month? They couldn't even fathom that in some of these places. They'd be like, bro, 4,000. You take $4,000 to some of these places, you're living like a king. Hyperinflation, bro. I think we are hyperinflating. Why do you think the market's the way it is? Dollars are worthless and everyone knows it. Everyone knows dollars are worthless. This shit's crazy, y'all. SPY's rejecting from the trend line here. This shit is crazy. Yo, I'm bro, Mexico, we could probably, let me see how much US dollars are in to Mexican pesos. How much? Roughly 37.14 Mexican pesos. So every dollar I'm gonna have 30, for every dollar I got, I'm gonna have 37.14. Mexico, we could probably, I think I could find even poorer country though. No offense to Mexico. I'm trying to get a conversion rate of like every US dollar converts into like 1,000. So I literally need to Google what country does 1 US dollar equal 1,000 of their currency. And when I find those countries, those are the places I want to go to. But those are probably crazy third world countries where I would have to buy literal security and shit. I would have to have like an armed militia. I'm gonna take my stream and move my stream to that country. You guys don't even understand. That would be genius for me because I would be earning US dollars from Google while in another country. I think I could do that legally. I'm pretty sure. And my audience would be US based, which is huge on YouTube. I have a US based audience. I'm gonna have to get that Starlink. Yeah, I'd have to get that Starlink, bro. And the thing about Starlink, it's actually inconsistent. It is fast, but it's inconsistent sometimes, man. It cut in and out on you. That's why you don't see anyone like streaming with Starlink. I'm trying to figure out if Spy's gonna break above this line or not. Because that's gonna determine everything that happens next. I think there's a good chance it does. It looks like it wants to push up in the close. Which means the meme stock should push up in the close, which means AMC might break back above 260. ASST's about to go, bro. I already told you guys. I called it in the Discord. I called this in the Discord, bro. It's up 7%. %7 gains on the day so far on ASST. Called it in the Discord too. I called it perfectly, bro. In the day trade chat, if you guys are interested, check out the day trade chat for my traders. Check out the day trade chat for my traders. We only need 20 more likes to reach our goal of $100. ASST, y'all. This thing's going up 10% off of the lows. $11% off of the lows now. AMC's about to break over 260. If AMC breaks over 260, then I'll be impressed. Zelly Zen in the building. Max Payne for GME 23. Spy broke the line. How do you know? How did you know? Do you have the line on your chart? Yeah, it looks like Spy wants to push up in the close, guys. So hopefully you close your puts. Guys, make sure you check out the day trade chat. Check out the day trade chat for information on SPY, ASST, and many more stocks. Inside of my Discord, $100 for a lifetime invite. Hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, DataZeroOfficial5, to get information on the Discord. Hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, to get information on the Discord, y'all. Linked in the comment section and description. It's just it's like not the top half. That looks a lot better. ASST 130. ASST going for new intraday highs. ASST going for new intraday highs. Falling wedge breakout. Falling wedge breakout. ASST. Perfect play. Perfect setup. I should have went back in on this. I could have made even more gains than last time. I mean, it's not too late, but this thing's about to go crazy. ASST just hit 131, new intraday high. It's pumping in the close. We definitely called that out in the Discord. I said that the falling wedge is going to break out during power hour. Called this in the Discord. I've been saying since 2 o'clock ASST is about to go in the Discord. She said, yes, it's me. Go over $2, please. $2. That would be huge. That would be huge. That's gonna be a 50% gainer. There's a gap fill all the way to 3. It's 150% gains if you're down here. It's very low. It's very low. I honestly think this might be the play, bruh. It's been beaten down hard. It has the risk to reward is huge on this. Your downside risk is only to 78 cents, while your upside reward is massive. Your upside reward is massive compared to your downside risk. And this thing just hit 134, guys. We caught a fucking another one, baby! We called another one. ASST again. Back to back. Yippee! Subscribe, y'all, right now to get this time-sensitive information.
Hello there.
We got GameStop down to $22.45, unfortunately. GameStop warrants holding $3. They're pretty steady there. ASST 135, new intraday high, y'all. It's blasting off. Bro, ASST making moves. Limited chart? What's a limited chart? We got Andrew with the $2 super chat.
Take a look at BQ Bokil holding limited freak chart.
What is a limited chart? Yeah, boy! What is BQ limited holdings? Let's find out. Let's see what we got here. ASST is going crazy right now. Bro, this chart is broken, dog. This chart is broken. This thing's down 77%. I wouldn't trade this because it's on the AMEX, bro. I only trade NYSE. Or NASDAQ. NASDAQ, NYSE. I don't trade any other markets. Unfortunately, this one's another market too. But that is a beaten down stock. That is a beaten down stock. I can't really say much about it though, bro. It's beaten down, but this market is risky. Too much risk for me. Different people have different risk tolerances. Too much risk for me. Up 10% on ASST already? Bro's up 10% already. SPY is pushing up, guys. SPY broke above the trend line and is now moving up as expected. SPY is going to be heading towards like 683.84, y'all. It's about to get a recovery in the close. Bought 50 cent. Bro is deep in the money.
Thanks DZ bought assistant
you, bro, for the $2
0.50
super
calls
chat.
January 21st, 2028.
Thank you, dude. Guys, we got a little bit of a hype train today. We got a little bit of a hype train today. Yes, get some hype in the chat for Dexter's Amplify repairs. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for the $2 super chat. Make sure you take profit, though, bro. You don't have to wait till 2028. Bro's rich. How do you afford that? Those calls had to cost a fortune, bro. Unless I'm tripping. ASST is about to go, bruh. There's a reason why this bitch is on my watch list. I love it when a plan comes together. $135, we're going higher. Fuck that. I don't know if it's gonna head below $2 before December. I don't think that's the case. 136. Which one's the pumper? I don't think that's the case, dude. I actually think we might get a little bit of a rally, but we'll see. 136, new intraday high, ASST. Don't be greedy, y'all. RSI overbought, RSI overbought. Thank you guys for all the super chats today, man. You guys are crazy. $1? What? Bro just found infinite money glitch. They announced a judge ruled to make Trump keep giving SNAP money. Federal judge orders Trump administration to pay SNAP benefits out of contingency fund. With SNAP benefits about to expire, Pennsylvania declares disaster emergency. CURX.
Can you look at CURX? Rocket, 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 high voltage, 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 volcano, volcano.
This one is fucking insane. What is this? What is this? There is a gap fill here, but I don't know if that gap is gonna get filled. All right, so this would be an example of getting a stock down low, but I don't think this stock's coming up anytime soon. But you don't have very much downside risk. This is very risky. It's one of these RX stocks. So like it will take off on some news potentially or something like that and run like 1,000%. We have some levels here, but that's it. We have resistance at 81 cents. It's also underneath $1, which it could get reverse split or get kicked off of the New York Stock Exchange. Too risky, bruh, to put any type of real money in. I would put $100 in it and leave it and hope it turns into 1,000 maybe, or 50 bucks, something like that. That's a lottery ticket. That is a lottery ticket. Bro, I told you some people use the moon for trading. Another $2 super chat. Okay, we're flowing, guys.
I use astrology for trading like WD Gan did.
I told you guys people use astrology for trading. I told you that was a thing. We got multiple chats flying, guys. Yeah, CURX is too risky for me, in my personal opinion. It has to be under $1 for like, I think like a certain amount of days. I don't know how many days. This is not real. This is not real. XRP ETF approval in 11 days. So that it could be a thing, but if the government shut down it, I don't think it will get approved. ASST is gonna pull back. RSI's overbought.
XRP ETF approval in the next 14 days.
Yeah, thank you for the super chat. All-time high, guys. We got multiple super chats flying. Let's get some hype in the chat. We got multiple two pieces flying right now. All-time high, Dexter, and we got Danny Lamb dropping multiple two pieces. Also, Bitcoin coming back to the upside. Bitcoin 109,500. If Bitcoin gets back above 109,500, that is a sign of recovery, ladies and gentlemen. SPY also pushing up into close as expected. I told you SPY is going to be headed towards 683.82, 683.79, around that range, and it's heading right there. AMC at 257. ASST up 10.25% right now. RSI overbought. That means we're about to be pulling back in the short term. We got about 30 minutes remaining. Thank you guys for the support today, guys. This is a rare holiday edition of DZ. Whoa. Thank you, sir. Guys, we just had multiple twos. Get dropped, and now Todd just came in with a 5 gifted! Tyler Lander, Drive, Lovey Brown, Mo, Michael just got gifted, and then we have another two-piece coming in right now. We have another two-piece coming in from Dexter right now as we enter the Halloween season, and the veil
Law
between
of vibration
the dead
works
and the
with the square of
undead
9.
becomes blurred. We must get hype in the chat right now, guys. We got multiple chats. We got everything dropping. Hype in the chat right now. We got multiple. Listen to where we are. Ladies and gentlemen, when I tell you we're at 15 brand new members today, SPY is pumping. Hopefully you close your put positions. I tried to tell everyone. Didn't I say close your puts? Didn't I fucking say that shit? Guys, we're at 100 people in the building. We're at 100 people in the building right now. 30 minutes remaining. $109 in the building. We only need, oh my God. We're getting crazy. Yes. Just got gifted a free membership. All-time high coming in. All-time high coming in with a gifted membership, putting us at 16 brand new members for today. Let's go. 683.73. SPY just hit price target. SPY just hit our price target. Ladies and gentlemen, SPY is pushing in the close. I repeat, SPY is pushing in the close. Bitcoin also making moves. I like what I'm seeing. Today is a good day. We got Amy Green. Bitcoin pushing back. Rare holiday edition, baby. We're celebrating. 16 new members, bro. This is the most members we had in a minute, y'all. Wait, no, we just get like a 50 gifted? Yes, we did. We got a 50 gifted. We got a 50 gifted, I remember. I never forget anything like that. Yeah, we got a 50 gifted. Holy smokes. The 50 gifted's crazy. Bitcoin get back above 110. I would love to see that, bro. It's actually 109.8 right now. Your wish is about to be granted, dude. It's about to be granted literally right now. SPY's pumping. SPY hit 683.82. Did anyone buy calls? Did anyone buy calls when we broke above the red line? Did anyone buy calls when we broke above the red line? Yes, I hope the DZ fam did make some money, man. Hopefully you made some money this week. That's the goal. You got to try to make money every week. SPY is ripping right now. I would officially call this ripping. SPY's pushing up pretty hard. 683.89. This is a pump, right? Coming all the way from 679.24 to 683.90. That's a pump. Now SPY's about to go to 684. That's a pump. That's a pump, right? Or am I tripping? That is a pump. I went all in SQQQ. No. Unless it's long term. We are coming down, but not till later. Not till later, guys. It's going to be like late next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to be like Thursday, Friday next week until we come down. You know they have to drag the process out. Printed money on SPY puts the last 2 days. Excellent, brother. Excellent. Thank you for the super chats, bro. You're going nuts right now. Dexter with another
Printed money on SPY puts the last 2 days.
Super chat. And we had man, the myth, the legend, Todd dropping a 5 gifted. Shout out everybody right now. Shout out Dexter, all-time high, Todd, Danny Lamb, Andrew, The Summer, Jackson, Sports Faith and Life, Kai Supreme, and Ruben officially starting the hype train. Ruben starting the hype train. And we are now deep into the hype train on the rare holiday celebration. You know the process is going to be long and drawn out. SPY's double bottoming right now. It's going to push all the way back up and then break down later this week, next week. Yeah, SPY's definitely going to recover in the close, and then it's going to come all the way back up Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Definitely Thursday and Friday downside. SPY is 1% green this week with the hammer. What the fuck is this candle? This candle's weird looking. It's like a doji candle. It's like a star, bro. Because it's pretty even on both sides. The top wick's a little bit longer than the bottom wick, but it doesn't have like the gravestone shape. I mean, I guess you could call that a gravestone. The bottom wick's a little long. I would want to see the body be a little bit longer. A little bit wider for it to be like a true gravestone, but it is a very thin body. SPY's ripping, guys. What? I love my man too. AKA Misty Blue just gifted a 5 gifted. Let's go. Putting us at 21 new members. Guys, we are now at 21 new members. 21 new members.
JK, really?
You guys don't know that. You guys don't, Andrew, you don't know that. 684.51 on SPY. Guys, we only need 10 more likes. We have 30 minutes left. Will we achieve the like goal? RSI for SPY getting hot. RSI for SPY getting hot. RSI for SPY getting hot, so you could start seeing it slow down to pull back a little bit here. ASST, unless you're in it long term, you should have been cashed out, bro. RSI burnt up. RSI burnt up, bro. Unless you're in this shit long term, cash the fuck out. I'm saying it right now. It's Friday. Cash out. Take the check. That shit's gonna pull back, bro. Just hit 140. It just hit 140. It's up 15% or 14.5% in one single day. That's some decent gains, guys. It's up. ASST's up 19% from the low. If you would have bought the bottom with $1,000, you could have $190 right fucking now. You could have made $190 off of this stock right now if you just risked 1,000. Up 19.5% off of the lows. Thank you. Thank you. We only need 8 more likes and we will achieve our 100 like goal. We have 21 brand new members, which is huge. I didn't think we would get to 21. I did not think we would get to 21 brand new members. So we're actually moving today. We only been live. We've only been live here for going on 3 hours. It's gonna be a 3-hour live stream, so a short live stream for me. 21 brand new members. ASST has resistance at 145. RSI is way overbought though. Alright guys, I'll face cam back on here in a few minutes. I'm gonna stand up and stretch. So my back doesn't get too hot or hurt. We only have a couple minutes remaining, so I'll be back on in like 10 minutes. Whoever wanted Bitcoin to 110, it might happen. Actually, Bitcoin hit 110 briefly. Bitcoin hit 110. I like today. 21 brand new members is big, y'all. Hey. 21 brand new members. Multiple supers. Amy trying to hold the trend line. Amy trying to hold the trend line, but if she breaks the trend line, she'll dump in the close a little bit, back down to like 254. That would suck. But it is what it is. ASST is not playing no games. Even Beyond Meat's going green. Even Beyond fucking Meat is going green. There's only a little bit of gap left on Beyond Meat. $684.80. Spy is ripping, dog. Spy don't play no games. Spy don't play no games. Paper planes. I turned face cam off. We instantly lost 20 people. Is it really that much better? Don't worry, I'm coming back. We only have 15 minutes remaining. I'm coming back in like 5 minutes. AMC is gonna dump in the close. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, I could leave the face cam on, but it'll look like this. It will look like this. Alright, this beat's about to be a banger, I can already tell. It's a spooky type beat. Yeah. 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 Let's go! Bring me some good stocks, guys.
Your thoughts BKKT bat trick or treat.
Bring me some good
Jack-o'-lantern,
stocks.
jack-o'-lantern, 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 jack-o'-lantern.
Bring me some good stocks. Let's see what you got. I only want good shit. Find me the next play. Come on. Find me the next play. I know you guys are out there looking. This one isn't too bad, but it's already ran a lot. This one isn't too bad. It's probably gonna come back up. It looks like there's a gap fill here. No, there isn't. Never mind. I would say this one will come back up to at least, I would say $30 to be safe. I know HKD's running right now. We know about HKD. HKD's of chase right now. It's overbought. If you buy right now, you're fucked. If you buy HKD right now, you're gonna get burned. It's already ran 70%. You can't do that. You can't jump in on a 70% run and expect to make money. Bitcoin at 109.8, guys. Bitcoin at 109.8. Ethereum going green as well. Ethereum up 1.67%. Thank you for the super chat, Andrew, bro. Thank you. You guys went stupid today. Super chats have to be done for today, right? Super chats have to be done for today. 21 brand new members. What a stream. What a stream. ASST not giving up. What the fuck? This thing's overbought. 5-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Everything's overbought. Is this thing just gonna start squeezing? Are we just gonna fucking start squeezing? ASST! This is why ASST is the best play right now, especially if you bought down here on the falling wedge. You couldn't have did better. If you bought here, down here, on any of the retests of the falling wedge, you're you know what you're doing. Wait till the class comes out, bruh. Wait till the fucking class comes out. All of you are gonna have the answers if you buy the class.
What's
We're getting too many
LPSN
super
looking
chats.
like, boss?
We're getting too many now. This is ridiculous. We just got double twos. We just got double dubs, y'all.
Jack-o'-lantern, 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 jack-o'-lantern.
That's a sick beat, jack-o'-lantern. What is LPSN for 500, Alex? What is LPSN for 500? Didn't we look at LPSN? I thought I have a dotted line for this. Dotted line tracking, bro. Dotted line tracking. Your boy's on point with it. Actually, I didn't even want to say nothing. I'll let the dotted line speak for itself. I'll let the dotted line speak for itself. Been tracking. Been tracking. Same with this bad boy. Pop those into Discord. That way you guys have them. ASST holding 130.39. It might go for an intraday high. It might go for higher than 140. Where are we at with this shit? Guys. What the freak? 21 new members and multiple super chats. Hold on though, we need 7 more likes. This is we're getting the crunch time. I need second accounts, third accounts, 5 accounts. We need 100 likes achieved. We need 100 likes achieved. Spy is pumping, guys. Spy is pumping. Oh no, it's pulling back. Spy pulling back. RSI overbought, y'all. We're pulling back towards the trend line. This super chats are getting crazy. 92% fucking accuracy. The only person who's right more than that is DataZero.
WD Gan had 92% accuracy in trading a century ago.
99.99999. That's the only person in history that's been more accurate is DataZero. The legendary trader DataZero, accuracy of 99.99999%. He was only wrong 0.0001%. That's how accurate he was. They're going to tell stories about DataZero in the future. Bro, thank you, Dexter, bro. Yes, multiple rockets. We're getting too many supers. But we're getting desperate, guys. It's getting down to crunch time. We need to get some more likes up in this bitch. We only got 10 minutes remaining, y'all. We only got 10 minutes remaining. SPY just bounced off the trend line. It's gonna hold support. We're at 98. We're at 98. Guys, look at the supers. Look at the supers. All right, you guys gotta stop. You guys gotta stop. You're getting out of control. I love this shit. Guys, this is a true hype train. Dexter with the #1 crown. Holding it down. Why is there no hype in the chat?
WD Gan didn't have computers. DZ rolling on the floor laughing.
Why is there no hype in the chat? Where are all the members with the hype card? Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially reached a new level. J Carr coming in with the 5-piece. J Carr coming in with the 5-piece. What is happening? We have reached unmythical levels right here. We have reached mythical levels. SPY pulling back slightly, guys. SPY pulling back slightly. Beyond Meat trying to go green after coming down, filling partial gap fill. Bitcoin 109.9 right now. Bitcoin heading towards 110. Let's go. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a bounce off the lows. Love to see it. Bitcoin holding those levels. Consolidating. I like it. I like it. I like it. Hold those key levels, Bitcoin. Hold those key levels. Yes, hype. That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. We have reached mythical levels. J Carr with the 5er. Supers have gone out of control. We have officially reached 100 plus likes. We have done it. 112 people in the building. Multiple super chats. 21 brand new members. Today was crazy. And we've only been live going on 3 hours. Thank you, family. I hope I deserve all the love that I receive. Somehow we even got close to damn near 1,000 views, bruh. We did it today. We did it. Thank you. This was a group effort. All of the people that hit like, all of the people that hit share, all of the freaking supers and gifteds. This was a group effort coming together to make one beautiful stream. Thank you guys. Thank you. DataZero is very pleased. This is a very good stream, guys. I love it. 3-hour live stream, holiday edition. DataZero. Shit is spooky, baby. If you guys haven't yet, share the stream, like the stream, subscribe, do all that good YouTuber stuff. It's going on the weekend. I don't have any weekend video for you guys. I'm sorry. God damn, GameStop has been dumping. GameStop has been dumping. The warrants are holding about $3. SPY is pulling back. SPY is pulling back, rejecting from support and resistance here. SPY rejecting from the support and resistance of 683.78. Bitcoin pushing to the upside at 109.9. Ethereum at 3.8. Cardano ADA 61 cents. XRP 254, guys. Crypto coming back a little bit. Crypto coming back a little bit, guys. Crypto's been holding. It's been holding. It's not over. A lot of fear in the crypto market. A lot of fear. XRP up 5.9. Alts are pumping, guys. ADA up 3 point. Alts are pumping. ASST pulling back a little bit in the close. That's to be expected off that high RSI. RSI overbought multiple time frames. Guys, you could have been in you could have been in any other stream, but you chose to be here. Thank you. Alts are pumping because Bitcoin's only up not even a percentage, bro. And if those numbers are right, these alts are moving. XR, if that's right, I mean, I don't think that's exactly right. I think they count their days a little differently. It says 4.5%. 4.5%. Not bad. Not bad at all. 4.5% is good. Especially for Bitcoin not even being that up. A lot of fear in the crypto market. Yeah, I trust GME a little bit more than AMC at this point now, too. We have 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. AMC not doing too bad in the close here. SPY dumping in the close. SPY dumping in the close, y'all. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. SPY dumping in the close, y'all. SPY is fucking dumping into close. RIP Nana 8 for real, dog. That shit was crazy. What type of world are we in? Shit is crazy. I actually did do push-ups, but off camera. I did do push-ups, but off camera. When I turned the face cam off, and when I walked away from the mic, I did 25. You can believe it or not. 30 seconds remaining. No, 10. 10, 9, you know the countdown, baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trading is over. 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 GameStop closing at 22.33. AMC closing at 258. SPY closing at 682.25, dumping. Bitcoin is now at 109.6, 109.7 basically. Ethereum 388. XRP 254. ASST closed at 133. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your rare DataZero exclusive Halloween edition spooky. You already know. Spooky type shit. Hopefully you made some money, man. Hopefully you guys made some money. Yo, thank you for today's support. Today's support was insane. Thank you guys for today's support, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you truly, for real. Today was crazy. 21 brand new members. 106 likes. Crazy amount of super chats. Everyone have a great weekend. Thank you, Jay Carr, Dexter, going crazy today. Andrew, Todd, Misty Blue, I love my man too. All time high. Todd, Dexter going crazy. Danny Lamb, Andrew as well. The Summer, Jackson with the 10 freaking gifted, huge. Danny Lamb, Sports Faith and Life with the 10 piece, huge. Kai Supreme, the coveted Kai Supreme Super. And Ruben starting it all off with the 2 piece. Let's go. Today turned into massive. Thank you, everybody. Thank you guys for a crazy stream. Make sure that you do these things most of all, and I don't know if I have any content for you for Friday, but I'll have the weekly outlook and prediction on Sunday. Swinging over the weekend is a bad thing. You should always try to close your position as soon as possible. At the start of every day, you open one. At the end of every day, you close it. On options. Holding options over the weekend, not good, in my personal opinion. Guys, thank you. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe on the way out. Tune in Sunday for weekly outlook and prediction. And make sure that you have fun, you stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. Well, crypto never closes. SPY go back up, so Bitcoin goes back up. I hate SPY. I hate the market. I hate liquidity. I hate the fucking... Sometimes crypto pumps on the weekends or dumps. but definitely slows down on the weekends. $81 votes. I always press like 59%. This is spooky 22%. I will press like now 19%. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Spooky type beat. Guys, thank you for a truly special stream today. 21 brand new members. Fat bag of supers. Thank you guys. Damn near 1,000 views. I'll probably hit 1,000 views once the VOD posts. Yeah, I think crypto might move this weekend too. I'm thinking that as well. It seems like something might happen over the weekend for crypto. Want to make sure this isn't a bear flag though. This could be a bear flag, dude. This could be a bear flag. This could be another false pump. It could be another fake pump, dude. I mean, that's a micro. It's a micro time frame bear flag, but we could basically come up, come back down. We need to stay above 109,500. We need to stay above 109,500. This beat, I love the vibe to this beat. This beat is a vibe. This is the last song though, unfortunately, guys. Thank you, Scotty. I appreciate you, dude. Just coming in and giving your view and the like helps, bro. Today was definitely a party. Today was definitely a party. Look at this shit. Look. Woo-wee. Look at the support we got today. What in tarnation? We were not expecting that when we turned on the peak computer today. That's for sure. Little 21 banging with the supers. Dedicated, bro. They're as dedicated as me. Only channel you'll see someone with a 2-year membership. All right, guys. I'll see you later, man. Thank you, guys. Peace out, everyone. Sunny GG, Andrew, Scotty, Army Bro, Todd. See you later.